last updated, the 7th of July 18:27 am, Sweden's hotel had to be evacuated following a false fire alarm in Samara ahead of the World Cup quarter-final against England. The national team had to leave the hotel rooms at just after 8:30 am on Saturday after the fire alarm was activated as the hotel and the buildings surrounding it were evacuated. According to the hotel management, they believe the alarm went off due to either someone smoking in the room or someone accidentally hitting a fire alarm switch. All the players are now back in the rooms and will to progress with the plans ahead of the match. 1:22 David Beckham and Zlatan Ibrahimovic have plenty riding on Saturday's World Cup quarter-final between England and Sweden. David Beckham and Zlatan Ibrahimovic have plenty riding on Saturday's World Cup quarter-final between England and Sweden. Sweden are hoping to reach the first semi-final since 1994 when they take on Gareth Southgate's side at the Samara Stadium. England have won one game in the past 8 matches over Sweden, however, this did come during the group stages of Euro 2012, where England ran out as the 3-2 winners. In last meeting between the two nations in November 2012, Zlatan Ibrahimovic scored 4 goals to win 4-2 in an international friendly.